To start WhatsApp automation, you'll have to go to Manage and then to API keys. So if you wish to connect your own software, API or databases to WhatsApp, you'll need an API key. Go to Read API Docs and you'll have to read and understand the basic API documentation. It basically tells you to send a post request to this URL with this JSON payload down below. So for this, we need to first generate an API key, and once you generate an API key, you'll have to generate an API campaign. So you go to Campaigns, go to the Launch button and you create an API campaign. Now you choose a name and message which aligns with the campaign and set the campaign live. So now, if you go back to the docs, you need to enter your API key here. The campaign name is the name of the API campaign which you just made. The destination is the phone number. Enter the username and source or any source you wish to add. Add the URL that you would like to send to the user and add template parameters. If you have added tags and attributes previously, then you should add it over here as well.